2020 Dodge Durango Hemi 5.7 RT. He brought it in yesterday. Brought his own Black Widow neighbor haters. We put them on. Factory converters there and there. All right. And then he brought it back today. He said it's not loud enough. So guess what we did? Took the resonators off the back there and there. And put him some 5-inch blue tips. Why not? Finish, complete the look. There and there. As you guys can see, there is the 2 resonators that were on it that we cut off, and the measly tiny tips that were on it before that we cut off. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, 2013 Dodge Durango RT. Nice white Hemi 5.7. Right there. Check it out. What we got done on this beast. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then we took out the muffler, which is over there. We'll show it to you guys in a second. Replaced it with 2 Dynomax race bullets. Part number 24250. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then left the stock 2 1/4 pipe. And deleted the rear resonators there and there. And replaced them with 5-inch angle cut tips to complete the look black. There and there. We get them custom made for us, guys, so we don't have a link for them, but you can try to find some. But there's everything we cut off, and we also took off the side steps for them. He didn't want them on there, so we did that too. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, we got a 2019 Dodge Durango RT. Sexy maroon color. There she is. Look at this beauty. What we got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then there's usually a suitcase muffler that goes in here. As you guys can see, it's gone. And what we put is 2 1/4 pipe in its place on each side. Then put 2 vibrants. She didn't want it too loud. She wanted just a little bit of a deep tone. So we said vibrant is the way to go. Part number 1791. Right there. They're the little bit longer ones too. They are 14-inch body length. And then to even tame it a little bit more, we also put an X pipe in right after. Right there. Then it continues 2 1/4. We did a rear resonator delete on this side and a rear resonator delete on this side, and put some massive 5-inch angle cut black tips to complete the look, just to make it look extra sexy for them. As you guys can see, look at that. And it goes with the bend perfectly with the angle. As you guys can see, right there. There's the muffler, kidney bean, they call them. Kidney bean muffler in the middle. There's the 2 resonators. And there's the 2 flimsy tips that were on it that we cut off. Right there. Replaced it with this, the beast. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for everything you see in there. And please hit that like button and share and comment. Tell me what kind of sound you guys like on these Durangos, if it's the Vibrant or the Outlaws or whatever you guys do. So keep doing what you guys are doing. We really appreciate it. Durango RT. Go. Much better. Yes. You definitely have to take these off, guys. Again. Here's sound decibels. 117. Again. Again. Back her out. Look at that Hemi breathe. Little bit different, so that's why he did go with the blue tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. Nice white Durango Hemi. And guys, they drove all the way from Indiana, so we really appreciate their business. We really appreciate them watching. They're fans of our YouTube channel. So we made sure to take care of them. Go ahead. Yeah? Can I record you guys or no? Yeah? What do you think? Yeah! Look at the smile on her face. She likes it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 107. That's not bad. That's perfect. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Go ahead and return it. It's got a nice idle too. Dodge Durango with vibrance. X-Pipe. 5-inch tips. Man, that sounds so good. It's so deep. We just released the beast. Let you guys hear it? Dodge Durango 2020 RT, Black Widow, neighbor haters with 5-inch tips. Much better. Dodge Durango with vibrant mids, X-Pipe, and 5-inch angle cut tips, black. That smoke you're seeing is the paint.